Object fit genuinely controls how a real image fills its actual container when the aspect ratios don't match. In this video you'll use object fit and object position. Without object fit, forcing a real fixed width and height genuinely stretches and distorts the actual image, ruining its aspect ratio. Object fit cover genuinely fills the box completely, cropping the real image as needed without actually distorting it. Object position genuinely controls which part of the real image stays visible when cropped top here, keeping the actual upper portion. Forcing width height without object fit genuinely distorts an image. Object fit cover genuinely crops to fill without distortion. Object position genuinely controls which part of the image stays visible. Fix a real distorted image using object fit cover. Ready to make real images and videos responsive together?